Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. In this video we are going to discuss on how to solve some of the question from midterm examination 2015-2016. So let us start. In this problem you are asked to use De Moivre theorem to compute z1 to the power of 2 over z2 to the power of 4 and express in the form of a plus bj. Okay, so before you can apply this theorem, you need to express your z1 and z2 in polar form. So let us do that first. Okay, so your z1 is equals to 2 plus j. So your r1 is equals to square root of 2 squared plus 1 squared, which is equals to square root of 5. For you to identify your theta, you need to plot first. Okay, when you plot this one, you know that your theta is in quadrant 1. So therefore, your theta is equals to tangent inverse b over a. So which is equals to tangent inverse. So your b is equals to 1 and your a is equals to 2. So your theta will be 26.75. So therefore, in polar form, you can express your z is equals to square root of 5 cos 26.75 plus j sine 26.75. Okay, so next, what is your z1 squared? So by using DMT, your z1 squared is equals to square root of 5 the whole thing squared cos 2 multiplied by 26.57 plus j sine 2 multiplied by 26.57. So you will have 3 plus 4j. So next, we are going to find your z2. Next, we proceed with your z2. So you are given that your z2 is equals to negative 1 plus 2j. So what is your modulus for this one? So square root of negative 1 the whole thing squared plus 2 squared, which is equals to square root of 5. Okay, so for you to get your theta, you need to plot first. So when you plot your z2, it is in the second quadrant. Okay, so we know that your theta must be between 90 until 180. And for you to get the actual angle theta, you need to do, what you need to do is 180 minus with your reference angle. So by using tangent inverse b over a, so you will have tangent inverse. So what is your b? Your b is equals to 2, your a is equals to negative 1. So therefore you will have negative 63.43. So therefore your theta is equals to 180 minus this value. Okay, and we just ignore the negative sign. Okay, so 180 minus 63.43. You will have 116.57. So therefore, in polar form, your Z2 is equals to square root of 5 cos 116.57 plus plus j sine 116.57. So for you to get your Z2 to the power of 4, therefore for you to find Z2 to the power of 4, so by using the Morse theorem, you will have square root of 5 to the power of 4 cos 4 multiplied by 116.57 plus j sine 4 multiplied by 116.57. And when you press your calculator, you will have the answer, which is -7 plus 24g. Okay, for you to get in this form, what you need to do is 4 multiplied by 116.57. So press your calculator, cos of this angle multiplied by this one will give you -7. Sine of this angle multiplied by this one will give you 24. Okay, so therefore Z1 squared over Z2 to the power of 4 is equals to 3 plus 4g over -7 plus 24g. But this is not yet in the form of general form. Okay, so you need to multiply this one with the conjugate of denominator here. So you will have -7 minus 24g over -7 minus 24g. So therefore you will have -21 minus 72g minus 28g minus 96g squared over 49 minus 576g squared. And we know that g squared is equals to -1. So substitute this value right into here and here. So therefore your final answer will be 3 over 25 minus 4 over 25g. So when you substitute g squared is equals to -1 and do the operation for the real part with the real part, imaginary part with the imaginary part, so you will have this final answer. Okay guys, I shall see you in my next video for more discussion. Bye. Assalamualaikum.